Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best cellophane tape is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in our everyday lives. From sealing packages to quick fixes around the house, its versatility is truly remarkable. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of cellophane tape, exploring different brands, adhesive strengths, and ideal uses to help you find the perfect roll for your needs. Number 5. Scotch Magic Tape, 6 rolls, invisible holiday repair. This is Scotch Magic Tape, perfect for all your holiday needs. It mends rips and tears on cards and gifts securely and invisibly. The clear tape uses 3M adhesive technology to give you a strong, secure, and permanent seal. It's ideal for mounting Christmas cards or wrapping gifts. With its matte finish, the tape becomes virtually invisible on paper. It's a great addition to your holiday supplies, ensuring a clean look. Use it for permanent paper mending, quick fixes, and repairing decorations. This tape is designed to handle various holiday projects with ease. The tape is easy to apply and refill. You can also write on it with a pen, pencil, or marker, making labeling simple and convenient. Scotch brand is the best choice for your projects. This photo-safe tape ensures your holiday memories are preserved beautifully. What we like? This tape is your secret weapon for holiday projects. Its invisible quality ensures your repairs and gift wrapping look flawless. If you're looking for a tape that disappears, allowing your creativity to shine, this is the one for you. What people say. Scotch invisible tape sticks exceptionally well and doesn't show. It sticks so easily, the width is just right for so many things, and it is of the highest quality for closing wrapping paper, cards, etc., and it hardly ever pulls away whatever's beneath it. Durable for what it is. Number 4. Seal It 62452 Invisible Stationery Tape. Introducing Seal It Invisible Stationery Tape. This tape has an original matte finish, appearing frosted on the roll. It's designed for everyday use. The tape blends fully with regular photocopy and white paper. However, it might not be completely invisible on gift wrap paper, depending on the paper's color and texture. It is a versatile choice. The Press N cut dispenser ensures you get the exact amount of tape needed, minimizing waste. This feature makes it efficient and user-friendly. Each roll contains 1,000 inches of tape, unwinding smoothly for various tasks. It's perfect for packing, wrapping, mailing, and arts and crafts projects. The dispenser makes applying the tape quick and easy, saving you time. This product is designed to streamline your tasks. What we like? The matte finish of this tape is perfect for a clean look on paper. The dispenser makes application quick and easy, saving you precious time. If you value efficiency and a professional finish for your everyday tasks, you should consider this. What people say. The tape is very clear and easy to use. It works very well for wrapping gifts. The tape is easy to tear and sticks well. Number 3. Ohayooz Extra Strong Nano Tape. This nano tape boasts an incredibly strong adhesive, thanks to its nano-level micropores. It's 300% more adhesive than regular tape, making it perfect for various surfaces. It's also transparent, so it won't damage surfaces. Cutting this tape to any size is simple. Just apply a little pressure after sticking it to the item's surface, and it will create a strong bond. It's easy to put on and take off. The removable double-sided adhesive is designed to come off without damaging your walls or leaving any sticky residue behind. A hairdryer can help with removal if needed. This clear double-sided tape works on almost any smooth surface in your home. Use it to secure items like lights, carpets, hooks, photos, and decorations. The possibilities are endless. If the tape gets dirty, don't throw it away. You can wash it to restore its stickiness and reuse it. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. What we like? This tape offers incredible holding power for various surfaces. It's also removable and reusable, making it a sustainable choice. If you have items to mount or fix without damaging surfaces, this is the ideal solution. What people say. This tape can hold puck lights to popcorn roofing. The weight held, it was very durable and the stickiness was great. I've started using this tape for framing photos and fixing loose tiles. It's insanely strong yet removes without a trace. I use this tape for a variety of purposes, including bags that don't have twist ties or ziplock. The tape is heavy-duty, not thin like Scotch tape. Number 2. Scotch transparent tape, 3/4 in x 250 in, 2 rolls. This is Scotch transparent tape, and you get 2 rolls. Each roll comes with its own refillable tape dispenser. It's convenient and ready to use. The tape has a crystal clear, glossy finish. It blends in perfectly on shiny surfaces like glass and plastic. You won't even notice it's there. Thanks to 3M adhesive technology, this tape sticks instantly. It provides excellent holding power for all your needs. You can rely on it. This economical tape is perfect for basic tasks around the house. Use it for gift wrapping, sealing envelopes, or repairing documents. It's safe for photos and won't dry out or yellow over time. This ensures long-lasting strength and clarity. It's a great choice for many projects. Scotch is the #1 selling brand for home and office tape. Start your projects with the best. Choose Scotch. What we like. With its glossy finish, this tape is perfect for a seamless look on shiny surfaces. It provides excellent holding power, ensuring your projects stay intact. If you like a tape that blends perfectly and offers strong adhesion, you should choose this. What people say. The tape is very clear and has a nice gloss to it. It works great for wrapping gifts and other projects. The tape is easy to use and tears off the roll easily. Number 1. Scotch transparent tape, 3/4 by 850 inches, 4 rolls. This tape has a classic glossy finish, making it perfect for a variety of uses. It provides a clean and professional look. You'll love how it enhances your projects. It's ideal for sealing envelopes, packages, and protecting labels. This versatile tape is a must-have for both home and office. It's designed to handle various tasks with ease. The tape offers instant adhesion and excellent holding power. It sticks quickly and securely to a variety of surfaces. You can rely on it to keep things in place. The tape is crystal clear, ensuring that it blends seamlessly with your project. It won't distract from your work. It's virtually invisible once applied. This tape is ideal for use on shiny surfaces. It adheres smoothly and leaves no residue. It's perfect for a clean and professional finish. It pulls off the roll smoothly and cuts easily, making it simple to use. You won't have to struggle with tangled or difficult to cut tape. It's designed for convenience. This tape is strong, secure, and won't yellow with age. It maintains its clarity and strength over time. You can trust it to last. What we like. This tape is designed for a wide range of uses, from sealing to label protection. It offers instant adhesion and excellent holding power. If you are looking for a versatile tape that excels in various tasks, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The tape is very clear and does not yellow with age. It is easy to tear and sticks well. The tape is strong and holds well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.